This day we are celebrating 30 years of full diplomatic relations between India and Israel. And I think the most important thing right now between Israel and Goa, that Israeli tourists will come back very soon to the beautiful beaches of Goa, which I personally like very much. I was here several times before. And I think that it's a good sign that India opened the gates without quarantine for tourists coming from Israel and from all over the world, and to see the beautiful water, sand, and hotels in Goa. And this is something that I'm trying to promote. I hope that they will not make a lot of problems, but I'm sure that they will enjoy it. A lot of people love Goa very much, and I hope that they will come and visit from tourist point of view. From business point of view, from cooperation point of view, we will try to promote some centers of excellence in agriculture and in water, and I hope that there is a lot of fields of cooperation between the two beloved states. And we hope to be here again and again. I'm looking forward to see what's going on in the election. It's fascinating me. I think it's a very interesting election. And I think it's not interesting only in Goa. Everybody look at this election in a very open eyes to see what's going on here. It's politically wise, it's a very important election.